What if I told you I'm going to give you some online business ideas you can start with no money? Would you stick around and watch the rest of this video? Well, if you answered yes, then sit back because that's exactly what I'm going to do. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 online business ideas you can start with no money. Now, here's the reason I want you to stick around and watch this entire video. Inside this video, inside all these 5 different ideas, these are 5 different ideas I have personally done myself. But I'm not going to tell you about my, what I've done and my past experiences. I'm going to dive in a little bit. However, for every single one of these different business ideas, I'm going to give you somebody to go out and follow. Somebody that has done this exact same thing. I'm going to give you a way to learn the next step. Not from me, from somebody else. So if you're ready to dive into these 5 online business ideas you can start with no money, first, make sure you smash that like button. Okay? The second thing I want you to do is comment down in the comment section below and let me know which one of these different 5 ideas is your favorite. So, if you're ready, let's go. So the very first online business idea that I have for you guys that you can start with absolutely no money is affiliate marketing. You can do this anywhere. You can do this on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, on a website. The list seriously goes on and on. Affiliate marketing is so easy, okay? But most people don't understand exactly how it works. So I want to explain to you exactly how affiliate marketing works. So let's say you have a passion in something such as, tennis. If you know a little bit about tennis, you can teach people how to play tennis. And you can do this on YouTube, on Instagram, and you can promote different products such as tennis shoes, tennis balls, and maybe even a tennis racket. So if you understand a little bit about tennis, you could make some money. Now, I have a tennis racket. I have no idea how well I can play tennis because I don't play. I just bought this because it's part of my next business idea, and I'm going to talk to you about that in a second. The cool part about knowing anything, just because it's your hobby, it's your passion, doesn't mean it's going to be invaluable or there's no value in it, okay? It honestly is invaluable. There's so much value that you have that you can pass on to somebody else. For example, this tennis racket. I have no idea if this is a good tennis racket, but if I went on YouTube and I typed in the best tennis racket for beginners, maybe this is the one that they tell me to get. I have no idea. All I know is it's yellow, it's black, it's light, and it should work. Now, you can go and watch some of my videos. I talk about affiliate marketing all the time here on my channel. So if you haven't seen any of those videos first, make sure you like this video, go and subscribe to my channel, and then you need to go and follow this next guy. The person I highly recommend when it comes to affiliate marketing, his name is Dan Brock, and he goes by the YouTube name, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. The cool thing about what Dan shows you over on his channel, and I'll put a link down to the Deadbeat Super Affiliate channel down in the description box below so you can go check him out. But the cool part is he shows you how you can make money in your pajamas. If that's something you're interested in, you gotta go check him out. The next way to make money online, the next online business idea you can start with no money is actually print on demand and selling merchandise on Instagram. Here's the cool part about doing this is that Instagram is a free platform and selling merchandise doesn't cost you anything, especially doing print on demand. If you don't know what print on demand is, it simply is where you create a design and you upload it to some website. For example, my personal favorite is Merch by Amazon. And you probably have heard of Amazon before. If you haven't heard of Amazon, let me know down in the comment section below and just type Amazon who, and I'll create a video on what is Amazon. But the cool part about doing any type of print on demand is you create the design. That's all you do. And you list that design on their website. For example, I could list on Merch by Amazon, and what Amazon does is anytime somebody goes and buys that design, they will go ahead and print it on whatever item that the person wants it on. For example, a t-shirt. Amazon will then go and print it on that t-shirt in the exact same size, exact same color that the buyer requested. They will then ship the item to them, and I will get paid a small fee, small commission for creating that different design. And so the cool part about doing any type of merch is that all you have to do is create the design. That's it. Create the design, upload it, and wait for it to sell. Now, doing merch is a little bit difficult if you don't understand design, if you don't understand how the business model works. So if you're brand new to merch, brand new to print on demand, I'll link down below to a course you can go and get. I think it's like a $7 course. It's normally like a $50 course, but I'll put a link down in the description box below. It's like a $7 course that you can go and get it and go learn the entire business in a very short time. Now, my goal was to link to a couple other YouTubers that you can go and watch to learn about merch and learn about print on demand. However, what I've found is a lot of these people that do it also dabble in other businesses. Now, Dan Brock, he really understands his stuff when it comes to affiliate marketing. I spent about an hour looking for somebody that is just the expert, the guru for merch and print on demand, and I couldn't find somebody. Okay, now if you know of somebody, let me know down in the comment section below. Just let me know their name. Okay, you do not have to put a link to their YouTube channel, but I need their name so I can go and search them and figure out, is this person the real authority? Is the go-to person for print on demand? If they are, I'll then go and add them later on. Remember when I told you I bought this not to use it, but I bought this for a reason, and it was part of one of my next business ideas. Now, this exact item I bought for the sole purpose of reselling, which is my next online business idea you can start with no money. I know what you're thinking. You just said the next online business idea you can start with no money. However, I bought this to resell. I bought it. Does that mean it cost money? Yes, it did. However, I'm not talking about this item. I bought this for my resale business. I'm not saying you need to buy it for yours. Now, this item right here is an item I already had. This right here. This is a pair, actually one. The other pair, I left it at home. This is a DC. This is a phase, I think 9, phase 10, phase 2010 snowboarding boot. Okay, this one right here, size 11. Okay. This shoe right here, I already own it. So the cool part about it is I can take this item right here, I can list it on eBay, and when it sells, I ship it off to the buyer and I make the difference. Reselling on eBay is an incredible business, and a lot of people do not take full advantage of what eBay has put out there and take advantage of their platform. That's what I want you to do in today's video. If you look around your house, you go and look for the old VHS player that you never use, it's probably selling for anywhere from $40 to maybe $200 plus over on eBay. Think about it. You never use it. If you had $200 in your hand, would you give it to somebody else? Would you just set it there on the table? No, you wouldn't. You'd grab that $200, you'd put it in the bank, you'd spend it on something. So, are you just going to leave that old VHS player sitting there? You're never going to use it. You're just going to let it sit there on the table, on your dresser, on your nightstand, on your TV stand, whatever. And you're never going to use it? That's like leaving $200, the $200 bill sitting there on the table and you never touching it. Sell that item. And that's exactly what I'm trying to get you to understand is you can sell stuff that you never use, that's sitting in your closet, sitting in your on your dresser, in your attic, in your garage, in your basement. It's sitting over in the shed and you never use it. Pull that item, look it up on eBay and just figure out, okay, how much does this item actually go for? If it sells for a decent amount of money, cool. Take some pictures of it, list it, and sell that item and make that profit. Now, down in the description box below, I'm gonna link to a couple of my videos that will help you out so that you can get started making money on eBay. Also, one of the things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link to, down in the description box, I will link to my course. It's called Thrift Store Profits. I'll also put a discount code there as well, so you can go and use that and get a discount on my course. But what I show you inside this course is how to go to a thrift store, buy over 67 profitable products, and flip those products to resell and make a profit. So if you want to do that, go check out the course. But outside of that course, the person I want you to go and follow, this is somebody that I recently got introduced to, on YouTube. I don't know this person, personally, but on YouTube, her name is the Hustle at Home Mom. Now, the cool part about this is she is a mom, she works from home, and she makes a full-time income off of eBay just by hustling and reselling. So if that's something that you think you can get behind the whole reselling community, making money from home, making money reselling items nobody else wants, then you need to go check this person out. Again, I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can go check out the Hustle at Home Mom. Check this out. Look at that. Tricky, right? No, it's not. But the reason why I want to show you this item, okay, this is just a letter opener. Nobody sends letters anymore, right? This is something I'm showing you because I ended up picking this up because I watched a YouTube video and somebody was using this exact, well, not this exact one very similar to this one, and they're opening up different packages. And so I ended up picking this up because I have my kids open packages all the time. And so this one, it doesn't actually cut. It's not sharp. The end will poke you and it will hurt. However, for my kids, I decided I'm gonna pick this one up. However, the next online business idea, which pertains to this item, is YouTube content creation. I watched a YouTube video where somebody's using this exact same item. And so I picked this up because it looked like it was a good idea. Instead of taking a knife, okay, and trying to open up packages, because my oldest son is only 10, my youngest is only 4 months, and so they're not gonna open up packages with a knife. And so the reason why I wanna mention this is because YouTube is an incredible platform, not just to do affiliate marketing, which this was, but just to create content where people will consume that content and you can make money either through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or you can make money through YouTube ad revenue. Now, here's the thing that so many people struggle with, and this is the pitfall, this is the hurdle they can't get over, is YouTube has said you cannot make money with YouTube ad revenue until your channel has over 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. That means 240,000 minutes of watch time within the past 12 months. Or you cannot make any money through YouTube ad revenue. The reason why I bring this up is simple. Just because YouTube says you can't make any money with YouTube ad revenue does not mean you cannot make money by promoting an affiliate product. You cannot make money through a sponsorship. You cannot make money by selling your own item or merchandise. There's so many options out there. But YouTube, it's an incredible platform because it's free. It doesn't cost you a penny. All it takes is your time, your dedication, your devotion, and your skill. So if you've ever thought about creating a YouTube channel, I highly recommend you do it right now. One thing I want to say when it comes to creating YouTube content is you can create content about anything. Somebody created a piece of content about opening boxes, okay? And I watched the video and I bought the item that they were using inside that video. That just shows that how dumb people are. They'll buy anything, right? This goes, with this as well. This is a Duck brand adhesive remover with a scraper. Cool, right? This item I picked up because over a couple years ago, somebody recommended this exact same thing to take off any type of goo off packages, which I'm a reseller, so this is something I use every single day. Now, the cool part about it is somebody created a video on this, and I bought the item they recommended. So if you think that you don't have any knowledge that somebody would be willing to pay for, you do. And I say this because it's true. Let's say you're a good water skier. People will watch your content on water skiing, on picking the right skis, choosing the right what rope, making sure that the boat doesn't go too fast or too slow. There's all these different things that go into water skiing. Same thing with downhill snow skiing, mountain biking, hiking, scuba diving, fishing, cooking, babysitting, hair care, doing vlogs and doing like eyeliner. Not something that I do, but you get the point. Makeup. Everybody watches different type of content and they have different, skill sets. They have different passions in life. So because of that, I'm saying what you need to do is create something that you're passionate about, because if you do that, other people will start to consume that content, watch your videos, and eventually you'll make money. The ultimate goal with YouTube is actually very simple. Just to keep people on your channel watching as much of your content as humanly possible. And that's very hard to do. However, there's somebody out there that can show you different tips, tricks, and strategies to keep people on your channel and get more views. You may have heard of this person before. She is an incredible YouTuber. Her name is Sunny Lenarduzzi. I'll put a link down to her YouTube channel down in the description box below. Now, the last online business idea you can start with no money is actually called a YouTube thumbnail designer. The cool part about being a YouTube thumbnail designer is all you have to do is create different thumbnails for these different YouTubers to use on their channel, and you get paid. This is something that I've talked about in multiple videos here on my channel, but just look down here. Look on the bottom of the screen. Look on the bottom right if you're on a computer, underneath this video if you're on mobile. But the cool part is you see all these different thumbnails. Just start scrolling through those videos and see which video thumbnail is not the best. You think you could improve upon this. And if you think you can improve the thumbnail, go to that person's channel, contact them through email, through Facebook, through Instagram, some way, and let them know what kind of service you have to offer. The reason I want you to do this is because there are so many new videos popping up on YouTube every single day, which means there's new work for you every single day. If there's 100,000 videos that get published on YouTube every single week, and I don't know the number, I know it's a lot, but if let's say there's 100,000 new videos on YouTube every single week, if there's that many videos on YouTube, that means you have a chance at 100,000 options, available jobs out there for you to do. Now, do I think you can do 100,000 thumbnails in a week? Probably not. However, if you can do 10 in a day and you can pay $10 a day, that's $100 a day. And if you do that for 365 days in the entire year, that means you'll get paid over $36,000 by the end of the year just by creating thumbnails for YouTubers. Now, I know I said I was going to link to other people so that you can go and follow them. You can go and see other types of videos that they've created on this exact same topic and this subject. However, the problem is trying to find somebody that just does YouTube thumbnail design type videos is very difficult. I found a couple, however, their videos were not the best. I didn't find them the most trustworthy, so what I'm telling you guys to do right now is just go over on YouTube and type in how to create a thumbnail. It's that simple. All you have to do is go to YouTube, click on any of the videos you want, go to the About page for that channel, and find a way to contact that person. That's all you have to do. Send them an email, send them a DM, send them a message over on Facebook, and let them know that, hey, I offer this type of service. I only charge $8 to $15 per thumbnail. If you're interested in this idea, interested in this service of mine, let me know. You can always reply back at any time. I'm more than happy to help you out any way that I can. And people will comment back. They will write you. They will let you know, no, I don't need your service, thank you, or hey, that's a great idea. I'm thinking about it. I'll get in touch with you later on. And that's what I get the most often. Now, I used to do this with one of my companies, and we did really well with it. We have stopped doing this. Since then, we've actually sold part of the company and then shut down the rest. And the cool part about this is it's still a very profitable business idea, and that's the reason why I'm bringing it to you today. So, if you've been looking for an online business idea for 2020 and it doesn't cost you a single penny, this is a great option. But every single one of these options is a great different business idea. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I want you to do one thing. Let me know down in the comment section below, what is your favorite idea out of these top 5 online business ideas to start with no money? Now again, if you have any question on any one of these 5 different online business ideas, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below and I'll help you any way that I can. But like always, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Also, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.